Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the keyboard on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your settings, and then after that, scroll down, then click on General, and then just scroll down and we'll see Reset or transfer or reset iPhone. So just go ahead and click that, and then here you want to click reset keyboard dictionary, and then just click that, and then here you need to type your passcode, and once you're in, all of your keyboard history will be deleted, and that will reset your keyboard. That's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.